This video, we are going to learn how to prevent timer grabbing in IIS. So here is my Windows Server 2012. I have installed the web server. The web server only ready for your DCI certification, and I assume to have knowledge of how to install web server. So if you don't have knowledge, you can go to the add or feature. Just click here and use the web server option here, web server IIS. And here you have to install one component also, IIS 6 database compatibility, because this practical is regarding the IIS ban, prevention of IIS ban by grabbing. So we will install a software known as URL scan, and the URL scan needs a IIS6 database compatibility installed. Otherwise, it will give you error. So after creating on web server IIS and installing it, you will be able to open this mapping. Their default website is already built. You can also host your personal website here, but for the practical, I have the default website that is running. This is showing Internet Information Services web page that is our local host is running fine. So when we do the banner grabbing, like in previous video, I have shown you how to do banner grabbing. We use this tool HTT print, which can be downloaded from the internet. HTT print GUI, this is the tool that we use to do the banner grabbing. So just type the IP address of this machine. Port will already get selected. You can also change the port if the client is using some alternate port. So click on run button. So this will show you that this is running IIS 8.5 and IIS 6.0. So if the attacker is able to know your IIS version, he or she can search for exploits in the Metasploit and target your web server. But in IIS, we have the option to completely hide the banner. So to hide the banner, we will do one thing. We will first install the URL scan that you can download from CNET website. Just type your URL scan. Here you'll have to find the school. Yes. So this is a download CNET website where you can download this tool. And after downloading, uh, you can just install it by just executing the setup file. So once the URL scan is installed, you have uh, you have to go to your IIS web server, and here you will see one ISAPI filters option. So you can enable it on either website, or you can enable it on the web server. So I recommend you to enable this on web server so that it will be applied to all the websites you will host. So click on ISAP, and here when you first install it, there will be no filters. So you have to click on add and give it any filter, any name, and for executable, you have to go to C Windows System 32 and type inet serve, and here you will see URL scan and select this DLL file. So it will add this filter here. So now we have to go to the URL scan folder. See Windows. System 32 inet serve, and here you will see the URL scan. So this is the INI file where we hide the headers. So double click it. So here you will see some options, and there is the option remove server header. So if you set it to 1, this will remove the server header. By default, it is 0. So just change this to 1 and save this file. So now rerun this tool. So now you can see that banner report is hyphen. That is, it is not showing the banner, but it is showing the version number still. So to disable this version number, just go to the IIS, and here you will see the configuration editor. So here by default, application setting will be there, app settings. By default, if you open it, now you go to this system.web server, and here you will see the server runtime, and here the setting is enabled and it is set to true, and just click drop down and click on false, and then apply the settings. So now rerun the tool, this will vanish. It will take some time. So this is completed. So now it is showing that error receiving data and banner reduced is nil. So in this way, you can protect your IIS server from banner grabbing. Thanks for watching.